She'll lie and steal and cheat and beg you from her knees, make you think she needs it this time.
Àngela, I give you this ring as a symbol of my promise that I will love, honor, and cherish you for the rest of my days.
Àngela, will you love, honor, and cherish Thibaut and no other for the rest of your life?
When we were young, oh, we did enough when it got cold.
Àngela and Thibaut, having proclaimed love and commitment to one another in front of these witnesses and myself, I am happy to pronounce you husband and wife.
Express yourself. Express yourself. You don't never need help from nobody else. All you got to do now, express yourself. Whatever you do, do it good. Whatever you do, Lord, Lord, do it good. All right. It's not what you look like when you're doing what you're doing. It's what you're doing when you're doing what you look like you're doing. Express yourself.